David, I'm really excited to have you here at KBIS 2026, and we've got some cool stuff happening here in the LG ThinQ AI Cove. So one of the most exciting things that we're displaying this year is LG ThinQ ON. This is a smart assistant that goes so much further than the smart assistants you've had before. This is specifically made to interact with your home appliances. Of course, LG ThinQ enabled home appliances are the best, but not just that. It's Matter compatible, so it works with over 50,000 Matter compatible devices. Now,
Really?
yeah, you may be asking, David, like, why do I need to have a smart speaker from LG versus a smart speaker by somebody else? Well, LG AI actually can understand what you want to do and interact directly. No other smart speaker can change the cycle on a dishwasher or tell it to download a special cycle. But with LG's ThinQ ON, you'll have the ability to do things like, hey, I need a new wool cycle for my washing machine.
Really?
Or hey, when I go to bed, can you start my dishwasher after I turn all the lights off? LG ThinQ ON AI, not only do we use affectionate intelligence that really is in tune with you, but we have an open and scalable platform through a homey background and LG Shield for end-to-end encryption, saving all the products.
Nice.
There's a lot that's happening in the world of ThinQ. Let me take you over to the next alcove and show you.